Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another TacPack. That's hopefully not a whack pack. But you know what the best thing about this TacPack here is? See all these cool stickers that I have everywhere? They come from a TacPack and we get a different sticker. So hopefully the sticker's going to be at least cool and hopefully it not be whack, because if it's whack, it ruins my whole day. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell while you're down there so you may get notified when I upload new content. I really greatly appreciate you on that. And with that, friends, are you ready to get into a TacPack? This is hopefully a TacPack, a tack, sack, crack, whack, and yes, whack, crack is still whack. So with that, let's do it. All right, so we are back with TacPack, and as per usual, if you want to check them out, you can just go to the Google thing there and just type in TacPack, and they'll take you right there. They have, you know, since I have been getting TacPack, which has been quite a while, they did change their like naming convention, but it's still kind of the same. They have more than one box for you to choose from. Okay, so with that, I'm hopeful, man, because, like I said, this is where we get all our stickers from. So, come on, TacPack. Just please don't, at least don't ruin it for me on the stickers. And here is your top-down view. Okay, I can't see the sticker. Woo! Sweet. All right, cool. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. There you guys. There's your view. Wait, you can't see the sticker? No, okay. All right, now, as per usual, I have to tell you guys that I do have channel memberships down there. You know, it's a way you can support me if you feel so inclined. $4.99 a month, you can be here with me live. I do have a full chat here watching me do this live, and making fun, ridiculing, hurting feelings, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's cool. Oh wait. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get the sticker out without seeing it. Whoa. It was in the book, and it's awesome because it flipped it over, and I did not see it. Okay, so there's the sticker. Okay, now what I'm going to do this, and I'm not going to look. That's what it looks like. Okay? All right, we're going to put it to the side. And I got the book right here, and I don't want to open it because then I'll see everything. I don't want to see everything. And you can see this is TacPack Plus. So this is the Plus box. All right, so the first thing right here is, what is this? X-Flare, okay? So this is a wider magwell for an AR-15. Okay, it says for use with AR-15 mil-spec rifles, 5.56-223. So there you go. It's just on the bottom there of your magwell. It just allows you more slop of reloading. I don't know why I'm doing that. But yeah, so when you're trying to do fast ejects and reloads, this just gives you a little more grace into. Look, there's no way for me to explain this without it being taken out of context. It just makes it for you so you can take a sloppy insertion. There's no way. This is off the rails, man. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, it's just a flare for your magwell. All right, and leave it at that. Stuff like that's always appreciated because, hey, it's just better for your rifle, right? That's why you need to train. Train. All right, so we got something from a company called Eagle Grit. This is some hand cleaner. Not really much on the bottle. It says available at eaglegrit.com and Amazon. Stop. Wet hands first. That's interesting that they want you to wet your hands first. Let's see. Okay, now, man, it smells like shampoo. What in the crap kind of hand cleaner smell like shampoo? Okay, I don't know, but I'm kind of put out that it says wet hands first, and the only reason why I say that is because at work, because we have a steel fabrication facility, we have a big machine shop, so You know, we do our own hydraulic hoses. You know, we do everything. So, you know, my guys get dirty a lot. And I started buying the hand cleaner that has ground up coconut shells for grit. Man, that stuff's amazing. So look, if you're looking for some really jam on the one hand cleaner, you can probably go to Amazon and just type in like crushed coconut shell hand cleaner. That stuff is amazing. It's called like magic or some kind of magic hand cleaner. I don't know, whatever. So, you know, hey, it's a hand cleaner. So, you know, you got some hand cleaner. Let's see. We got Gray Man. Something from Gray Man. 15-inch handguard. Yeah, well, 15-inch. Oh, giggity giggity. Okay. So we got 15 inches here. That's what she said. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is a decent, very, very vented rail. Okay. Okay. All right. I like the aesthetic of it. It's from Timber Creek. Yeah, this is different. This texturing, you know, this texturing on it is actually really cool, man. Check that out. You see, it's got that texturing down the middle side there. So, you know, it's, you know, the cool thing about making a design like this would be if this like really had enough texturing so that when you had, because you're going to be running out here, you know, you're going to be running out here depending on how you hold. But it'd be cool if it had enough to bite into like a pair of shooting gloves or something. But, you know, now that I see this, I don't think I have a rail like this that has texturing like that on it. Bro, I might have to try that. I'm sitting here making all these jokes about 15 inches, bro. And hey, none of y'all seen 15 inches. I'm just saying. All right, so, hey, you got a handguard. All right, cool. Awesome. Good job. All right, next thing we got from Real Avid. I've got several of these things from Real Avid. This is their Gun Boss AR-15 Tactical, bro. We have finally made it. Cuzzo. We've been waiting for this my whole life, man. Not just, not just a cleaning kit. Tactical cleaning kit. I don't know about y'all, but my mission is fulfilled, man. I finally got a tactical clean. What makes it tactical, bro? AR-15 specific cleaning tools. Yeah. All right, so we got a T-handle. We got a star chamber brush. We got a bore brush. We got a patch thing. We got a bolt carrier brush. Angle cleaning pick. Okay, blah, blah. Okay, here you go. There's what's in it. Let's see. There you go. I'll give you the Star Wars ride. Doo-doo. Then we'll go to Jaws. Done it. Okay, so yeah, I mean the kit, you know, it's cool. You know, it's got room. You can put some other like swabs and stuff in there if you need it. You know, you can fill it full of more patches if you want. You know, the one thing I will say about these is they come in these nice like hard cases, these hard shell cases, which are really nice. You know, because you can zip them up, throw them in your kit. You know, your range bag or whatever, you're good to go. All right, and finally, the last thing in TacPack. Man, bro, I almost wanted to say barrel or blade, man. Look, I got a barrel blade coming up, okay? I got a barrel blade right here. It's in a really small box. I am not very hopeful, but my chat seems to agree this is the day everything turns around for barrel and blade. I'm just saying. All right, so the last thing we got from TacPack is an EDC mat from Tactica. This is just a grippy thing here that has these 3 depressions to put your wallet, your keys, change, and all that kind of stuff on. You know what's crazy about this? I wonder if this will fit in a large flat rate box. Only reason why I say that is because I have like 2 of these. So I'll put this in a giveaway, bro. All right, that'll go in a giveaway. All right, so this month in TacPack, we have the Tactica EDC mat. We have the Real Avid AR-15 cleaning kit. We have the 15-inch handguard from Timber Creek, which is actually really cool. I really like that. We have the X-Flare X-Tech Tactical magwell, you know, thingamabob. And then we got some Eagle Grit hand cleaner. All right, so, you know, not a bad box, right? Oh, crap. Not a bad box. But, bro, I don't care about none of that, man. I care about this here sticker, bro. This sticker, if this sticker is good, this is a good box. If this sticker sucks, all this stuff sucks. It's just reality, right? All right, here we go. Here we go, man. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, bro. Just in time. You got to be kidding me. Okay, here it is for you guys. That is cool. This is cool. Mando and Grogu. Just in time for the movie. Now, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I didn't have no high hopes for this movie. I have not seen no reviews yet. I don't know anything about it. I hope it's not. I hope it don't stink up the theater, man. I really hope. Because that'd hurt my feelings, man. I hope they do something good. All right, let's look at the book. Okay, this is May. You can see May. Are we in May? Yes, this is May. Whew, May the 24th. Okay, so this is May. TacPack Plus. Let's see what they say. Okay, so we got the Real Avid Gun Boss. We got the EDC mat. We got the Eagle Grit. We got the Timber Creek rail, which they say has, this is the plus item for this particular box, and they say that has a $300 value. And then we got the X-Tech Tactical Magwell. Okay, blah, 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 blah. And then we got the Mando sticker, man, bro. This is the way. What do you guys think about TacPack in May? Y'all happy? Y'all cool? Is this cool? Would you have been happy if you got this box? Let me know. Comment section down below. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Look. Give me a thumbs up for the video, man. If you want to thumbs it down, just do it in the comment section. Like, don't give me a thumbs down because they screwed up. I'm just doing what I can do. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. A grippy thing. Yes, a grippy thing. Oh, everybody loves a sticker. Everybody here loves the sticker. CC can't have this sticker, bro. I'm a Star Wars fan, man. Come on, bro. I'm a Star Wars nerd. I love me some Star Wars. Really. I love Star Wars. Every video. This is sitting back here. You know what this is? I may run some of y'all off because you're like, man, you've been telling me I've been watching a nerd this whole time. This is my custom-built lightsaber that I made in Galaxy's Edge in Disney World. This is my lightsaber, bro. I went through a whole ritual and everything. Certified. I'm a certified lightsaber expert. Check it out. Let's see. So here's, I made the hilt. So they got all these parts, right? And you go in there and you select all your parts, and then you actually select the crystal too, for what color it is. You guys ready? Ready? These lights are really bright, so it might not turn out that good. Oh man, about to say the batteries might be dead. Yeah, you can kind of see it, right? You can kind of see that. It's blue. I like blue. Uh-oh, I turned it off. Oh, that's a premature turn off. Didn't mean to do that. I got to be careful. Got to stay away from when I'm fighting the Sith, man. I got to keep my finger off the on and off. Hey, and you know, supposedly now, according to George Lucas, okay, all right, listen. No non-force users could fight with a lightsaber. Like, even if they, like, say, you know, you in Star Wars, right? And you a worker, and you see some people fighting over there, and some Jedi and some Sith, and some of them get you know, knocked off, and they lightsabers laying on the ground, and you run over there thinking you're gonna pick the lightsaber and use it. You can't use it because there's no on-off switch on a lightsaber in George Lucas's version. Because the way that the Jedi and stuff and the Sith activate their lightsaber is they use the Force to trigger it to activate the kyber crystal. So non-Force users couldn't use lightsabers. Now, the only one I don't know the lore, a whole lot of the lore of, is, and I tell you what, man, I probably just lost a lot of people watching my channel. They're going to be like, oh, man, I can't believe I've been watching this nerd this whole time. Is the Darksaber. I don't know all of the lore behind the Darksaber, because I do know that, like, Mandalore and them use the Darksaber, and they use that as like, you know, who rules Mandalore is whoever has the Darksaber. So obviously, you know, that particular saber that was purposely built, I guess. Like I said, I don't know the lore on that, but anyway, supposedly, you know, they could use it. So I don't know. All right. So anyway, hey, if you're still with me, I really greatly appreciate you. I'm gonna get out of here, and as per usual, may the good Lord bless all of you. If you're struggling in your life, and you know you're down, you're lost, you're confused, you know, you think you're alone, and the whole world's against you, and you just having doors slammed in your face. Hey, man, the one person that will never do that to you, that is always there with you, is the Lord. He's there right behind you, and he's just waiting for you to turn around and do this. It will change your perspective. It will change your outlook, everything. All you got to do is you got to do that. That's all you got to do. All right, I'm out of here. I love all of you. If I'll see you guys in the next one, y'all be cool, man. Peace. Boop, boop. All right. We don't need to see your lightsaber? That's mean. I like my lightsaber. What's wrong with my lightsaber? Come on now. What is wrong with y'all? Oh, Cynthia mad. She just mad because I said I like this. No, I like the sticker, man. I like Mando and Grogu. You know, that's a cool sticker. I tell you what. Cynthia, you know what I ought to do? I ought to send you Mr. Potato Head. I ought to send you that one. I got a potato head one. See, ain't that cool? Now, also, you know, hey, when you get in any of my giveaways, you know, and you win something from me, I give you a sticker like this, because I actually spent, like, none of these boxes are supplied to me. I got to pay for everything. And this is not a cheap endeavor. And, you know, I make about $5 off each video. So, hey, if you don't mind, please share this video out to all your friends. It really helps. So, yeah. All right, well, I'm going to hang out with them, because you know what we're going to do? We're going to get into another box with my channel members. So, hey, again, if you're still here, that means, you know, I don't know what it means. God bless you.